Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's Reverse ELF, Capture the Flag. Each task has its own ELF file that you need to download. The tools that you're going to need are Ltrace, that's Ltrace, and Ghidra, that's Ghidra. So we'll go into the downloads. We got CrackMe 1 through 8. So we'll chmod that. So they're all runnable. Then the task 1, let's start with the basic warm-up. Can you run the binary? Answer the question below. Okay, can you run the binary? So we'll do CrackMe 1, you get a flag. So that's answer 1. What is the flag? Bam. Task 2, find the super secret password and use it to obtain the flag. Answer the questions below. What is the super secret password? What is the flag? Okay, so we'll do password. So we'll do strings CrackMe 2. And then if you look through, get right here, usage, password, super secret password. Let's copy that, and then we'll and you get the flag. So what is a super secret password? Super secret password. What is the flag? Flag. Alright, task 3, use basic reverse engineering skills to obtain the flag. Answer the questions below. What is the flag? Task 3. Password. Let's try Ltrace. CrackMe 3. Just type password. See it. So it's CrackMe password and finish. String length password. 16 string length password. It's giving you this base 64 encoded string. Let's try strings on it. We get this base 64 encoded string. Let's copy that. Then we'll echo it. Then you get, for your second lesson, unbase 64 all things. What is the flag? Task 4, analyze the first password analyze and find the password for the binary. Answer the questions below. What is the password? Task 4. So this time the string is hidden. Okay, let's try strings again. No, let's use Ltrace. Just use password. Just gonna type enter and then type 1. All right, then we get this weird string. Let's test that. Always dig deeper. So we'll do that's not how it's supposed to go. Good game. So right here it says, oh, we're on task 4. I'm doing I did task 5 right now, sorry. It says, what will the input of the file to get output good game? Answer the question below. So that's what this is. Sorry about that. So we'll do task 4 right now. Got a little ahead of myself. Alright, so password, this time the string is hidden. Alright, let's we'll do Ltrace in this one. Just password. We get right here. My mom's secure password. If we just typed that, it would say password not okay. So if we type we get password okay. So that's what is the password? My mom's secret password. So now we go to task 6. Analyze the binary for easy password. This one is going to require using a Ghidra. So let's open that and start that up. It's a GUI reverse engineering tool. So you just start a new project, give it a directory to go to, and then a name. So we'll just do CrackMe 6 because that's what we're on. Finish, and then you go import file, find the file that you're doing, CrackMe 6. It'll ask you, just click OK. Just click OK, and then right click on it, hit open with code browser. It's gonna ask you if you want to analyze it. Hit yes, then select aggressive instruction finder, apply, analyze. It's gonna do its little thing real quick. You go over to functions, main, click on main, and then it's not giving you much there. My secure test, that sounds interesting. Alright, so if you go right here, then it's doing a function right here. So it says if parameter 1 equals 0, parameter 1. So it's giving you this list right here. So it's 1, 3, 3, 7, underscore PWD. So let's go back to here and let's try let me minimize this so you guys can see. Right. So we'll do CrackMe 6 with 1337 underscore PWD, and you get password OK. So task 6, what is the password? 1337 underscore PWD. Task 7, analyze the binary to get the flag. Answer the questions below. Same thing, we're going to need Ghidra, so we'll just open this back up. We can close this, we don't need it anymore. Don't save. And then you go to close project, new project, same deal. Go to functions, give flag, that sounds interesting. And then it's doing so right here it says it's doing a comparison. It says else if local 14, and it's giving you this hex value, which is 31337 in decimal, and then it says puts wow such a hacker give flag, else print unknown choice local F10 return enter first name. So if we just give it this code right here, it should give us the flag. So let's try that. What was it? 31337? So we'll do and you get the flag. Yeah, wow, such a hacker. Task 6, analyze the binary, obtain the flag, answer the questions below. What is the flag? Okay, this one, same deal. You're going to need Ghidra. You can close this one out. You don't need it anymore. Close project, new project, next. CrackMe 8, finish. Come on now. Fuck. Import. CrackMe 8. Okay. Okay. Alright, this one. So you go, it's got a give flag and then a main. So if we go to give flag, it's right here. It's taking this hexadecimal value of 0x41, which is a representative, or which is an Aussie of capital A, or 65 in decimal. And then it's right here in the give flag function, it goes through and it adds the 65 to these characters, where it rotates it by 65 in decimal. So a 25 is, if you go to this website right here, Aussie table, aussie-code.com, you could do it manually, which takes quite a bit of time. So a 25 would be a percent sign, so you'd add 65 to that, which would be 102, which is an F. And then the next one was a 2B, so that's a plus sign, so that would be 97, which is an A, and then so on and so forth. To speed that up, or to do it yourself, you would copy all of these, and then you would take the hexadecimal of this, so it would be a 0x, and then whenever the first two digits of any of these are, except for the ones that are 00H, those don't pertain to the decoding of it. Only the ones that are 1E, 25H, or any of the other ones that have these a character right here all the way down. So I've already taken the time to do that for everyone so they can see what the ones are without the noise of all the unnecessary character spaces of the 00H. And then I did this script in Python. It takes the data of all of the character sets that are in there, so they're not in uppercase, they're in lowercase. So in here, even though it'll say like uppercase E, all of these are actual lowercase in the script. You just put them in order, and then you do decode equals this little combination of syntax right here for being data, and then when you run it, it should decode the script. So we'll just do script.py, and you get the flag decoded. Hope you guys enjoyed. You learned something. Till next time. See you guys. Bye.